Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Begin by turning the Chevy Equinox ignition to accessory or on and leave the engine off for pairing. This powers the infotainment without driving. Next, enable Bluetooth on your phone and set it to discoverable or visible for at least 30 seconds so the head unit can find it. Check your vehicle year because 2018-2025 infotainment variations change menu names and wording. If yours uses Chevrolet MyLink or Infotainment 3, the steps are the same but the labels differ slightly, so expect menu name differences. On the infotainment screen, open the phone app, then select Pair Device, Add Phone, or Connect New Phone to start the pairing flow. The exact wording varies by model. The system will display a 6-digit PIN. Confirm that same PIN appears on your phone, and then accept or confirm on both the screen and the phone to complete pairing. If pairing fails, clear previous Bluetooth profiles on the head unit and your phone and reboot the infotainment by holding the power button for 7 seconds before retrying the connection. After pairing, the system will ask to allow access to contacts and messages. Allow contacts and SMS access so hands-free calling and text readouts work correctly. If you use an iPhone, open iOS Bluetooth settings and forget other car devices that might auto-connect and interfere. Android users should clear cached Bluetooth data if necessary. If connections drop frequently, update the vehicle software or your phone OS and prioritize devices supporting Bluetooth 4.2 or newer for improved stability and.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.